Beautiful, right? No time. Go and watch next session. I'll be working here.
I think I got a plan. So what is the goal? I will now create an application in which fetch the data from some real agencies, and this application will notify me when there will be a property which is staying on the market for a long time or massive price drop, and then using AI, we will be analyzing different situations. So basically, I would like to create so-called the Realtor, AI Realtor, if that's gonna work. I'm pretty confident it will. So let's take a look. Sharing my screen. Let's do it together. And where are we now? No, what we need to do, I want to show you the, here it is. It's here. Perfect. Sharing my screen. No, we don't need to see this one, but it's this. Perfect. So let's do this so I also can see myself what I'm saying. All right, now it's amazing. I would pull myself here on the like that. Okay, cool. So what we did, we are now building the rack pipeline. For that, added the models, components, what we'll be needing, the prompt builder, HTML document, link converter, because we will be parsing the data from HTML, converting it, and storing in the in-memory embedding better. So that's why we need the retriever also. I did a quick check if the haystack is installed. So regarding our previous conversation, because there were some errors, everything is great. Haystack is installed. Models are there. So nothing stopping us to make a next step and actually start and fetch some data. For this, let me add a bit of information here, and we will be reviewing all that together. Okay, take a look what I'm adding. So what I'm adding. First of all, document store initializing in memory document store. This is where all our data will be storing. Then link content fetcher. That's what, so we need to initialize the fetcher. What will help us to grab the data from the internet converter to convert what we got to HTML to document, then embedders. We will be storing our documents, and you can see here I use this model. It was advised in the haystack documentation. Feel free to use any. I actually will try to play with some other. Now, when the pipeline is initiated, it is important. So to name them, like here you can see fetcher is fetcher, converter converter, and then to connect them. And that's important if there are many variables. We need to connect, for example, take a look here, fetcher streams with the converter sources. And if you don't have variables, you can connect just converter and better writer. Done. Perfect. And let's try it out. That should work now. No. Okay. Name OS is not defined. That's okay. That I saw it before. That's fine. That's quite easy to fix. Let me take a look quickly. So name OS is not easy to fix. On the letter 5, embedder. So we are talking about embedder. Which one? API. Okay. Let's investigate this case now. So this error is about this point. Import as I actually don't like to do it here. It's better for this to be in our help API. So it's not good to do any. Yeah, okay. Perfect. Done. All saved. All run. Perfect. And take a look. Haystack core pipeline object code, component fetcher, link content fetcher, converter, yes, and better, yes, connection, yes. Ooh, seems like good. Let's also see how all that can be visualized. Come on, I want to do this. This is probably one of the cool things. Yeah, love it. one of the cool things what I really like here in using hashtag URL. So you can see that we have a URL as an input, then goes fetcher, stream to sources, converter, attachment to document, documents to documents, embedder, and embedder meta or documents. So we could fully visualize our path what we have here. Now let's run it. Let's fetch some data. From where? I have an idea. Let's use the symbol which one at home, .lu probably at home, .u. Yeah, let's use this one. Okay, cool. So yes, and then this, and then that. No, 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 no. Now you know what? I will just store it. Yeah, that's okay. Sorry, my fault. I wanted to do it differently slightly. Okay. Now, we need to write the indexing run, fetch your URLs in this way. Oops. Yep. Let's do that one. Uh, correct. Correct. And what if an idea actually? Have actually an idea. You know which URLs? Let's do it in this way. Okay. Okay. We can do several. What is our good? And cool. Now, let's check this. And okay. And all the brackets needs to be nicely closed. So this one, this one, this one, this one. Love it. Quick run. Oof. Good. Let's take a look. None of the following integration environment variables are set. Self anywheres. None of the following integration variables are cohere API key. Okay. So all good. All amazing. So what I'm being asked is to provide a cohere API key because we are using the here. Let me show you. Where it is embedder, the cohere embedder, cohere document embedder. To provide an API key, I need to go to their website, get it, and add to my environmental variables here, and then it will be fixed. This is gonna be fixed, and embedder will start to work, and we are good to go. Okay, let me do this. So we got an error that the key is missing, and I went to help API and set the key. Before that, I went to here.com, I registered, got my key, and let's try to run this one. Let's see how it will go. Maybe I can. Okay, take a look. Yeah, I just did a very bad thing. I will cut it. Let's do this saved here. Run, restart. Okay. Name indexing is not defined. Okay, better. But it seems the key. No. Let's do it from start. Just double check that everything is functioning pretty well. And because I will go to the sensitive, you cannot minimize. Yeah, because I will go to a place where we have a keys, and I don't want to show it. Zoom. Okay. All right, so let's take a look what I was able to achieve. Hashtag, I think it's this one. Cool. So what I have done with you This is I'm now showing our code. So we'll be passing in the URLs. In our case, it's three Realtor websites at home, Imotop, Vortimo. Then we will fetch the data from these URLs, convert them from HTML to documents, and store to the and embed them to internal embedder, and actually, yeah, write them, and then take a look. Take a look what we got here. We have document written 3, so all went quite successful. I cannot be more than happy about this. You know what? We can even lay some and oops, and take a look the content of the document. So let me do this one and that one. Let's explore the content of this document. Cool, cool, cool. Take a look, take a look, take a look. Nice, 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 nice. Uh-huh. Nice. All right, we're good. We're good. Let's make then a next stop. I cannot be more happier than that. Maybe it's not that noticeable, but I am. So now we were able to fetch the data, and the fun part starts because now we'll be building the retrieval augmented generation. Basically, we'll be building a RAG, main RAG, um, the core of our RAG. You know what? Let's actually do these. Let's visualize that we have our RAG. So I hope I share my screen. Markdown and yeah, so we're building our rack. All right, let's call it EI, Realtor EI. Here you go. Good. Now we will need one more. That's a code. So now, interesting point. Haystack is using Ginger to make some prompt template, prompt generation, and let me paste this one so we can explore all together. Take a look. Yeah. So this is the formatting, typical Ginger formatting, and what's saying here that we can have a document, a query in the input, and then also we can loop between them, and Ginger also support the if-else statement. So it's good. Uh, Spend some time, play more with Ginger. Quite interesting one. Um, to design your ideal prompt values. We will be still playing with this because we will be somehow already seeing how we can adjust it even nicer in a nice way. Okay, so prompt is here. By the way, let's play because maybe don't have something installed from Ginger. Ah, good, good. It went good. Good. So let's build the pipeline. And to build the pipeline, we will need to get our, again, modules and components connected. So well, let me get them here. Okay. Boom. Yeah, so checking. Query embedder, yes. We're still using the Cohere embedder model, then retriever, yes. We are using the memory embedded retriever, what we used before, and the data is there. Now, generator, OpenAI generator here. Feel free to use any. I'm hesitating a bit. Should I still use OpenAI or should I switch to the Llama or maybe this DeepSeek? Let's do this one with OpenAI, and yeah, we can play and add on the way. Few more. So variables. I think I might get an error because my variable is not set as this one, but let's play. Okay. Ah, yes, and all of them are connect. So we need to connect them, embedder query. So this is the naming, retrievers called retrieval, find, and let's connect. Embedding and query embedding, documents connected to the retriever to prompt. So when the prompt is done, it's checking the documents and the prompt generator. Seems good. Seems good. Now, uh, let's run. I hope I will not get an error because if yes, ooh, actually never happen. I'm always getting an error. So take a look. I'm now more and more love the haystack for all this nicely summary so we can see that what inputs and outputs we can get here for query embedder, cohere text embedder. That's good. That is good. Good. So yeah, we will get several replies. Let's run the question. So my question will be, where can I buy a house in Luxembourg? And I also added here one to retriever to use only one document. So it might work only with the what we added there. Let's check. Between those three. Okay, let's run it and see where it will be. Here we go. Ah, cool. So the question is, where can I buy a house? The answer is, you can buy a house in Luxembourg visiting imatop.lu. Voila. But that's not the end. So you can see already, this is all using our imported data, our generators, and how nice it looks. Oof. Okay, that's not the end. Let's adjust more, even more. Let's spice it a bit. It worked fantastically good. Now we have a chance to even more play with it, or add a bit of complexity or fun, call it as you want. So here you go. We again playing with the prompt template. And as you can see here, I'm adding the variable which will allow us to modify the output and choose any language on this. And also here, document URL, and for URL, question, query, and answer. Good. It seems quite an interesting one. Let's run again our query embedder builder. Yes, this one, like this. Okay. And quickly double checking. It's the same like we used before. OpenAI, fine. Seems good. Now, let's use the same question, what we used before. This one. Yes, question. Okay. Copy it there. And this time I would like to use it slightly different. I'm thinking to add replies yes, the prompt query question yes, but also I'm really willing to do this one, to extend it. And do this language and thinking French, Spanish, or Dutch or German. Yeah. So as a result, we should get the German language. Initially, the websites, some in English, some is French, some is, I think so, but none on the English or the German. So let's take a look. Ah, so my question is on English, the answer is on German, the website is there. Voila. I think it's done. Hashtag good. Love it. And now what you're doing, exporting it's a real application and up to the world. Wow, impressive. I'm so happy. Let me know what else can we build, because you see with AI we're just unstoppable. We can build anything within hours. Very good, very fast. Yeah, if you have any questions, guys, feel free to reach me, post under the video. Um, Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for being here.